So here's our last little hoopla in the polishing process. Got 1200 grit right here. I already did the sides with 1200. I did the face and the face of the back and the face of the front a little bit, but to finish it off, get some water on the 1200. Depending on if there's any little scratches or grooves left, you can go lighter or harder on the paper here, but you just kind of only go as much as you need to go. Do the front and the back. I got some kind of little booger under there or something. A little more water. You can feel it when you've done it enough. It'll all of a sudden start gliding. And it just started to glide, so you know you've gotten through any of the last grit's roughness, and it's gliding now pretty good, so I'm saying probably good. And that's enough for a quick little look-see. I got this magic little light that I can move around a little bit. Still has to get polished, but that's the back. Back's as pretty as the front. So yeah, pretty much time to polish that little baby.